strong in you. Welcome back to my channel.
When you scroll down TikTok, wow, this is great. Holy moly, I'm buying this. And you bought it and tried it and you're wondering, why doesn't it work like TikTok? Why is this famous? I don't know how to use it. Okie dokie, I got you. I feel you.
Today, I'm going to do this no makeup look or clean girl makeup using only TikTok viral skincare and makeup products. If you watch this video, you can see all these brutal reviews and tips and tricks on how to use the product. Wait a moment, somebody didn't subscribe yet? Please subscribe and like me and put the notification bell. I do the YouTube live. Please join me that time. I don't want you guys to miss the video. Let's get started. Super popular LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. Haruharu Toner.
Thicker texture than watery toner but absorbs and moisturizes so well. Except oily skin at summer, I recommend to dry, combo, and sensitive skin.
COSRX Snail Essence. Pyong. Wow. Wow. It's so lightweight. I feel like just water gel.
If you're dry skin, you have to use this with a moisturizer, otherwise it can be too dry.
So when you do the skincare before the makeup, many people doesn't spread it well enough. So here, nothing can be left. Beauty of Joseon cream. Not that much. Feels like more like a lotion. So mainly here. And almost no scent. I like it. Their ginseng lines are, oh my god, not for me. This one pretty good moisturizer. Inside to outside. T-zone. To not get too shiny. Some people ask me do I have to wait it like for a long time? If it's way too much, so it's gonna be dry out too quickly. So you can just move on. It's almost gone. Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, the superstar of the K-beauty product. Let me show you how I put the sunscreen. I squeeze it a lot. So I cannot put like once at a time, split to by one. And then as it absorb it, after like a minute later, do it once more. Same color, but a little more shine. All skin types are amazing. Where's the hype? The most famous cushion. Long lasting, good, but it feels like too high coverage. But I'll show you how I'm using if your skin is just like me. Start it from your thick area on your skin. First touch is gonna be the most amount, so it goes like the most like bright. Outside leftover, and then go upstairs. I only tap. No slide, okay? No slide it yet, but we're just gonna slide it pour, because pour tap, it doesn't go inside. Well, slide it down. In order for eyeshadow to show up, ta-da! Can you see? Little different. But the key point, I only tap it once and then do it everywhere. Okay, so no need don't be too passionate. Amazing coverage, but very careful when you do this amazing coverage cushion because it ended up like you look like a ghost. Sure, you tap it everywhere except your nose, side nose, and the eyes. To make it 3D face, you add once more here and then once more here, and then tap it the nose. It looks like very even face right now for me, right? But the amount of the cushion is basically one tap. And one tap, twice more tap here. Same thing when you use the foundation. If you already bought it to the cushion and it feels like too heavy, try to like tap it once. You can put, because it still have leftover at the puff. But so many people add more and more. And the skincare has to be a little richer than what you used to do. Otherwise, it can be too cakey. But now, pretty good. LANEIGE powder. This one, same case with their cushion. Press it. Oh, powder. So just press gently, okay? Mainly at your eyes, because I'm gonna put eyeliner, eyeshadows here, and then brows, because I'm gonna fill the brows, not to the whole face, only at your nose area. Little expensive, I think, because of the case, but I think it's kind of worth it. It's so soft. Do you want to touch it? I'll touch it like a baby butt. So soft. Anybody are really conscious about the pores, to use some of the powder, especially at your pore zone. Pores become more blurred. This is the most hyped lip and cheek. It's from Fwee. So I'll try this one. Color named a baby. You can use both. If you do it this way, foundation destroyed. Can use better of the lip and cheek, it's using sponge, like dry spongy, and then Korean blush with you all the way. Where all the way here the Gangnam moms get the fat implant because when you get older here is sunken. Tap it at the sponge and then smile. And then apple zone. Don't slide it. You look like I drank too much. Start from your cheekbone and go more to the inside. Don't go down to the nose. You look like your face look sack. Cut in the middle face. Connect it like you're Rudolph. Like here and then here. It's like a little natural blush. In order to put the lip, now it's too wet because of the LANEIGE lip mask. Just get rid of it outside. With a cushion left over, make your lip thick. Boing, boing, boing. You can use the finger, it doesn't matter. And then to make it over, upper lips feels a little smaller. So, down lip, you just go down. Cupid bow, fill in, come from here. Come from the edge to the front. Connect it so well. Oh, even with my nail. You can finish it here, but if you want to make an ombre lip, go with a Hince tint. There are so many glossy lips, so tiny. But the colors are so pretty. So put it only at the half. It doesn't show up too much wrinkles inside your eye, inside your lips. So you can use your finger to make sure the color can only go inside. Eyeshadow, when I check it out the TikTok, I cannot really see that much popular K-beauty eyeshadow palettes because I think normally here the colors are everything too light because Korean people want to do the face makeup pretty bright. If your skin is like darker, more like tan, I don't recommend the Korean eyeshadows because color would be too light. These are all Holika Holika. Number one eyeshadow these days. These one all I use, and today I'll gonna use it. But Daisy also very popular one for a little more tan skin and works pretty well. Very pigmented. But today I'll just gonna use this. Or if you're similar skin as me, you can also try this one. I can use it also with my brows, so that's good. Mainly put this one. This all the way. So people put a little. I think this one skip. Too light. So maybe you mix these two. Start from here and go up here. Go all the way until the hole. This is basically making eyes overall same, overall even tone. Don't forget to put the same color at the bottom. Pinky-ish color showing up. CLIO pencil. Number one eyeliner for so long time. Got a little dark brown. I feel waterline. Little tickle. To make the tail softer, for me it become droopy. So like you hold it, squeeze it, then make the tail. After you draw eyeliner, it's like so obvious with the first eyeshadow. So they all carry the dark, like chocolate color. This can be too dark, so I'll mix it. So cover up all the way the line. So that's the one reason many Korean makeup artists doesn't use a black eyeliner. Because black, you can smudge it. Don't go upper than double eyelid line. The middle color is gonna be this. So this one, you can think it's like a bridge around your creases. Color also come down here too. Shiny one, put it at the finger. Put a little higher than you think. My brow, some part a little missing. So in this area, you can use this one, the brow eyeshadow. It can be too yellow. So mix these two, tap it. I just fill middle to the finish. So never ever, it started from the front, you become Angry Bird, okay? If your brows like pretty behave well, then just brush out. And then fill little parts, missing area with a shadow. And then I'll curl it. For Korean people and for myself, too straight. So if I only do the mascara, go down. This is from the Kai, Japanese one. Here, all the popular ones are all from Japanese. Shiseido Shuemura. Number one mascara. Oh my god, I'm sorry. No need a word. Love it so much. They probably changed the packaging. It just become too dirty because it still works well. But this one I only use for myself. Not for the customers. It's good because it doesn't clump. Works pretty well. Very affordable. Mascara is the one you have to change the most often because otherwise inside become dry. Oh, it's pink. Literally pink. So it's an Aegyosal pencil with a pink color. Started from very front. Boom! They have, I think, 14 different colors. This one, I love it whenever I do the pink makeup. Boom! And the good thing is I also use this for the lip liner.
If your lip line is dark or your lips are small, this multi-pencil is genius. Rather, this pencil can sting when I apply it around my eyes, but it's more comfortable when you apply it to your lips.
And who doesn't know this? Anybody who's used to Korean makeup? Almost gone. Shading powder. So basically, I only use like here, the brighter color, and then here. This is bronzer, but Korean shading is basically make you like a V-line. If you're a little darker skin, then you can try it from here. So the first tap, because it can be still sticky, but you know it's dried out, and then here. So V-line. Hello, this is V Young. It doesn't look like you have like some, foundation. Why they make 3 colors as the bright one? You can also do the nose shading. Like Caucasians, Western people, you guys already too high. You don't need it. But here, people afraid about your face look two-dimensional. So nose can be 뿅 pop up. So instead of highlighter is like actually prettier when your face is a lot more tanned. But in like fair face, highlighter can look too like a cyber person. This is like the brush for the nose shading. It just fit here. But don't do all the way. You become like a Lion King. So not here, all the way the hole. Put it from the hole. Put it from the hole. Can you see? Boom, pop up. Careful, because here is basically the pore area. In this way, foundation can be gone. So the nose shading has to be from the here, and then here. And do the lip gloss. How can I make the TikTok lip? Adding this.
Next week, I'm traveling to Fukuoka, Japan with my parents because my dad's 69th birthday. I'm so excited to see J Beauty Cosmetics. If you have anything curious about, put it at the comment. I'll buy it and review it. Also, can't wait to try sushi and yakitori. Thank you so much for watching until the end. You guys are the best. See you in the next video. Bye. 안녕.